Hey everybody, John Sargent with Wilkins Harley-Davidson, bringing you another one of our Dyno Certified pre-owned motorcycles. This is a 2013 Ultra Limited, and this color is chrome yellow pearl and vivid black. Not a popular color you see on these, which makes it kind of nice to have something that stands out in a crowd, at the same time gets noticed when you're going down the road. Now this bike, we've invested about $1,025 into, with making sure that it reaches the standards that our customers have come to expect from us. So with that, we do a 15,000 mile full service with synthetic fluids in all 3 cavities. That's about multiple point inspection. So we also flush the brake fluid and make sure that's flushed and replaced. You should do that every 2 years. If you're not, something to look into. We also did brand new brake pads on the motorcycle, front and rear, because anything that's less than 50% life when it comes to brakes or tires, we replace. The tires on the bike are above 50% life, so those maintain on the motorcycle. We also did a brand new Harley-Davidson OEM battery in the bike. We did a Midtronics test on the battery. It did not come back to our standards, so we replaced the battery. Then we put it on our dyno and did a full analysis mechanically and electronically on the motorcycle to make sure that A, it deserves our name, and B, we can back it with our 90-day, 3,000 mile guarantee. A few great features on an Ultra Limited that you should know about. The Ultra Limited is one of those bikes that comes loaded from the factory with a lot of great goodies. So ABS brakes come standard, heated grips come standard, which are a great thing to have on those cooler mornings or cool evenings. Luggage rack comes standard, security system comes standard, and it also has premium face gauges up here in the fairing. And this one actually has a few goodies in addition to that. So this has slightly different windshield with a light smoke, has a storage pouch on the fairing in front of your windshield to keep things, you know, get them out of your pocket, put them in the fairing so you can enjoy riding. It also has highway pegs on it as well, but overall a really nice machine. We've sold it originally, and it's great to have it go to another great home. If you have any questions, give us a shout at 802-476-6104. There's a ton more info we're happy to explain. Just reach out to us or hit us up online. Thank you.